Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy named Diana. Back at it again with another mother lovely video. Hey, and I got, oh snap! It's okay. I got Taco Bell with the new pineapple slushie, and I happen to have gotten it all over me, but it's all right. It's just a little bit of loss, and yeah. So I got the pineapple freeze, which is pretty good. I have some crunchy tacos. Cheesy Baby the Crunch, which is probably not crunchy no more because of this drive home. And my Crunch Roll Supreme. Hey. So yeah, let's get this video started. But you already know what has to go down. Alright, I'm about to pray for this food, and we're about to get it in, alright? Thank you, Jesus, for this food, bless this food. Amen. Alright. Start with the Crunchwrap Supreme. Hey, right there. So how's your day? How's everyone's day going? My day is, it actually went fairly well today. Thanks for asking. It's my boy Lawrence. So before I go on, just want to remind you, I'm still trying to hit that goal of 1,000 subscribers. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and that boom, that notification bell. And I would also like to give 2 birthday shout outs. So today is my father-in-law's birthday, as well as my sister's birthday. So shout out to Dad. Happy birthday, Dad. Happy birthday to my sister Sylvia, or as well known, Noi. Happy birthday. So yeah, I keep trying to remind people, trying to tell people that October is the best month, hands down. You know what I'm saying? But they ain't hearing me. So, not sure if you guys remember, I was gonna do a video on the mystery Oreos that I had. So, a couple days after that video, my car got broken into. And what did they take? They took all my damn food. Took my damn boxes of noodles that I had for lunch. And they took my mystery Oreos. That's what happens when you live in the hood. Don't live in the hood, guys. Especially not white center. All right. Crunchy taco. Now be lucky if it's still crunchy. But if it's not, oh mother freaking well. Mmm. Okay. That's not my napkin. Thanks to my assistants. Law Dog, he's behind the camera. Well, actually, I'm using my new phone. I got the
Note 10 Plus.
I just hate when you get taco shells on your bottom lip and you can't get it out with your tongue. I got the new Samsung Note 10 Plus.
Are you going for the cream?
The camera quality is amazing, which is pretty much the reason why I got it. And plus, I have Samsung Forever with Sprint, which means I can just get the newest phone that with Samsung and just release, which is amazing.
Bernie?
You're probably catching all this conversation that's going on in the background, but it's okay. I should have done the ASMR again. Yo. So this is like my norm that I get from Taco Bell. The food, not the drink. This is new. The new pineapple freeze, pretty good. I usually get the Crunch Supreme, no tomatoes, and a cheesy gordita crunch. Amazing.
Is the truck here? The sriracha, the hot sauce is in there. The little package.
I know, I can get. I'll get back to this Crunch Supreme because I need to get into this cheesy gordita crunch, though. So yeah. Okay. So whenever it hits the 2nd of October, I'm usually in countdown mode because like it's my sister's birthday today, and then I'm like, damn, in 21 days is my birthday. So in 21 days is my birthday. So yeah, I can't wait for my birthday, bruh.
You know where we should go for your birthday?
Where?
Twin Peaks.
Hell no. I know where I'm going for my birthday. I want to go to Snoqualmie Casino because they have snow crab legs that day. My birthday's on a Wednesday, so, and I'm trying to get up on some crab legs. Snow crab.
The fried chicken burger I ate.
That was cool. They were all right.
No, my burger slaps. It was boneless chicken too.
Y'all need to get. If y'all don't know, if y'all never tried this before, y'all need to. It's like a taco in a chalupa. hell's going on here? But yeah. I'm trying to figure out more content. Like, whenever I'm at work, I think about the next video. I'm like, what should I do next? Yo, mild sauce is the best. Not really with the hot or the Diablo.
Diablo?
Too hot.
Nothing like that.
Hot is not too hot, but stick to mild because I love the tang.
Have you tried the new loaded fries?
Mm-mm.
Oh, I think that's the Jack in the Box. Yeah, it's a Jack in the Box. God, it's so good.
Whew. So I got one taco. And this sucker got sour cream in it, so I don't usually get sour cream in my tacos. But today, your boy was feeling adventurous. You know what I'm saying? Amazing. You know, whoever thought about sour cream in a taco, God bless you. God bless you, your mama, your daddy, your whole entire family. Yo, so I got this Crunchwrap Supreme left, and only one packet of sauce left. Can he spread it? Yo, this is so bomb. I really like the watermelon one with the candies in it. Oh, I love it.
I hate when it's all watered down.
Mm-hmm.
I hate when the watermelon one, when it's all watered down and the candy is left in there. And it tastes good.
This one has like a hint of vanilla in it. I really love this phone. What do you guys think about my quality? My phone quality? The video quality. Oh, I got a brain freeze. Not today, devil. Dang. Shaking it out. I can feel it. Mmm. Amazing. Oh, so I watched the video today from Badlands Chugs, and he was doing a challenge video from Matt Stoney of a record peanut butter and jelly sandwich eaten in a minute.
Well,
You seen it?
I haven't seen it, but I've seen the thumbnail of it.
He did 3 attempts and managed to do 7 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches within a minute. You think about it, it doesn't seem hard.
That's a lot of peanut butter, though.
But when you actually think about 7 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches within a minute, you would have to eat each sandwich within less than 10 seconds. Like 7 seconds. You would have to eat about each sandwich within 7 to 8 seconds, which is ridiculously fast. Damn! Matt Stoney, you're a beast.
Yeah, I don't think I can do that, though.
Hell no. No idea how he did it.
Big Macs, those are easy. Those are how easy to eat. I'd be eating Big Macs in like less than 10 seconds.
Matt Stoney, he did a whole Big Mac meal, supersized, with it under a minute.
For real?
The whole thing, fries, drink, and everything.
Oh, yeah, I've seen that one.
Maybe it's a try one. Yo, this is tasting a little burn. Taco Bell. We gotta do better.
Doing well. Doing it.
Y'all need
well.
to clean your guys' little quesadilla press.
Doing well. Doing well. I represent Doritos Tell Show.
That was delicious. I was gonna come home, cook up something, do a mukbang. You know, maybe even do a little mukbang. But I was like, the wife texted and was like, hey, we're leaving IHOP. I'm like, okay. And we're like, you can stop by, just go buy something to eat. I was like, okay. Sounds good to me. Can you do my favor? Can you get my water into the car? My car's parked in the back. Sure. Do you know how to open my door?
Yeah.
Even with the broken... Okay. So yeah, my car has been through hell. I locked my keys in the car a couple times. I broke my handle, so it's kind of hard to open my door. And then one day, somebody breaks my back right side window. Didn't take anything. And then the week after that, managed to break my now mind you, why would you break into a car that already has a broken window? They broke the small window on my left passenger side door, this small little triangle, reached in, unlocked the door when you have a big window already missing. Makes me wonder, come on, homeless crackhead people in White Center, y'all gotta do better, okay? Y'all gotta just, let me open this dude's door that's already pretty much open for him. But no, y'all wanna go and break the little window. So, they take a lot of stuff, which is okay. Not okay, but whatever. It's just food. Good thing it wasn't like valuable things. They're not home yet. Scary. Night boy. So yeah. This yeah, this meal was it was really good. Y'all need to go try it. Cheesy Gordita Crunch. If you haven't tried it, it's an old item on the menu. So, but yeah, don't forget to hit that like. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to your boy. Help me hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And comment down below. Let me know what kind of content you want to see. I really need to start doing singing videos because I sing. I'm a singer. What the hell? But yeah. There's a cover that I really want to do. And hopefully you guys enjoy it when I actually do it. It's called Better Days by Leandria Johnson. But you would know that if you hit the ding, the notification bell, okay? Again, don't forget to don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And And I am telling you. Alright, y'all. Catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much. For those of you who are subscribed, thank you for rocking with your boy. Those of you who are just coming on, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share this with your friends, your mama, your daddy, everybody named mama. Just share. Alright. Love y'all. God bless. Catch you on the next one. And we're out.